Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. So in this video, I'm going to explain you how to upload project as a portfolio inside the guru.com. I have already created the video about the guru.com. Guru.com is also a good platform. In fact, Guru is one of the oldest freelancing platform in the world, and I am working on this platform last 10 years, and it's a very good platform. You can get a good number of clients here, and the best part is that all the clients have good number of budget, so you need not to worry about the budget pricing. Just think about the quality. As like a freelancer, as like a Fiverr, as like a Upwork, Guru is also a kind of freelancing platform where we can build the project as well as we can also do freelancing inside the platform. Now, I'm going to give you the idea how we can create such kind of portfolios inside the group so that your profile get noticed by the potential prospects. Just go to this plus icon button. Okay. Now, first of all, you need to define the title. I have already such kind of portfolio inside the Upwork, so I'm going to copy down from the Upwork and try to paste inside the group with the help of Upwork portfolio. Let's go to portfolio, and this is my uh, portfolio item. So this has to be published inside the group. Just go to copy, just go to edit. So this is a project headline. Just copy this and paste it. Okay, so just like a tailor-made sales funnel design. Okay, that's all. Now add a project headline. Okay, so project headline is, project title is title. Okay, so make it bold and make sure you have to save this project title too. Now it's time to add some of the project images inside the portfolio items so that it will complete. Let's go to add media file, then browse, then add some more images. No, I don't want to add text. Let's cancel it. I just want to add images, then image, then images. So you can also add the reviews if you want to put the reviews inside the project portfolio item. So I'm going to add the review of my previous customer. Just add media file. Images. And add media file and just all images. I think this is the right review related to this particular project. Now go to open. Now continue to save. So in this way, you can simply add your past project maybe as a portfolio inside the Guru so that your profile get noticed in front of potential customer. So make sure you have also a project cover banner. So in this case, I'm going to use this particular. And you need to also put the desired skill set, okay, so that on search engine this is going to reflect your portfolio. Now, so this is sales funnel regarding project, sales funnel, then sales funnel building, then sales funnel copywriting, then sales funnel design, then sales funnels website, then landing page, then landing page design. Make sure you have at least 5 to 10 skill set inside the project portfolio. Then landing page, content writing, then sales page, then sales page design, sales page design, then sales page writing. So in this way, just you have to also select this particular portfolio inside your service page, so that once anyone going to see your service page, they will also going to connect with your portfolio item. So in our case, we have already created the portfolio. We just need to add this portfolio with this particular sales funnel design services. Now go to publish. Now in this way, our project portfolio is going to create inside the Guru, and this will also going to help you to get maximum boost of your profile. So I hope you understand how you can create such kind of portfolio inside Guru. And even though if you're not able to create, ask me questions through comment box. I will definitely going to reply your questions. Thank you so much. If you have any question, any doubt, feel free to ask me anytime. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.